Of class 10, we have already started this chapter. The chapter we were discussing is going on, that is measures of central tendency. Welcome to my class. The topic we are discussing is now it is the last part of the chapter, how to find the mode. Okay, measures of central tendency chapter, it is the last part of this. So as you know, 3 ways of finding the mode we read in the class 10 book. So that is mean, median and mode. It is the third part now we have. What is mode and how to find the mode from the model class. Our coverage will be on this only. First, what is mode? Mode is the value which covers most frequently in a set of observations. It is the point of maximum frequency. A simple question here given with example. Mode of raw data when not in order, such cases how to find the mode. See some data given, find the mode of the data 4, 7, 4, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 4, 7 and 8. Since 7 is being repeated several times, it is 1, 2, 3, 4th time. Therefore, among this frequently repeat occurring data is 7, therefore mode is 7. Okay. Next, how to find the mode of tabulated data with frequency when given. So such cases how to find the mode. You can see here given frequency distribution in the upper question. Number 8, 3, 9, 8, 10, 12, 11, 15, 12, 14, 13, 17, 14, 12, 15, 8 and 16, 6. Since if you see the frequency, the maximum value of the frequency is seen in 17, its value is 13, therefore the maximum occurrence is 13 number, that is for 17 times, therefore mode of this distribution is 13. Next, how to find the mode of the group data or data when given under the groups of the classified, or how to find the mode of the classified data. You can see the question given, mode of the group data. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. The class interval given 20 to 30, frequency 4, 30 to 40, frequency 7, 40 to 50, frequency 9, 50 to 60, frequency 11, 60 to 70, frequency 6, and 70 to 80, frequency 2. Let us see how to find the mode. For that, you have to draw first the histogram. You have been reading about histogram, how to draw. A histogram is a continuous graph with the class interval. There is no gap between the rectangular bars. You can see this one. It is starting from 20, therefore kink mark used up to 20. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, all these rectangular bars with equal. So no spacing is given. Frequency given 5, 10, 15. You can see the graph is plotted. And if you draw the line from the highest rectangular bar in the diagonally to the two opposite rectangular bars, you can find the point K when joined from A to C, when joined from B to D. So point of intersection of both the lines at K. If you draw perpendicular from this line, it reaches to L. L probably you can see closer to 50 and less than 55. So it is model class is your 50 to 60. So draw the histogram and see this is the highest rectangular bar we already discussed, and AC, BD diagonal drawn lines from the coordinates C and D of the adjacent rectangle. K is the point of intersection of both AC and BD. Okay. So drawn this one, KL perpendicular drawn to the horizontal axis. The value of L on the horizontal axis represents the value of mode, and it is probably, or it is at 53. So therefore mode of this distribution is 53. Now some expected question from the exercise related to mode and other measure central tendency. Find the marks of 20 students in a test were as follows: 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 18, 19 and 20. You have to find out the mean, the median and the mode. Since in the earlier videos we already discussed about the mean to find out for the ungrouped data, median how to find for ungrouped data, already discussed, and mode how to find. This is now discussed. Next, for tabulated data, the distribution given below shows the marks obtained by 25 students in a aptitude test. Find the mean, median, and mode for the tabulated data. This also we have already discussed. The mark obtained 5 and number of students 3. So 5, 3, 6, 9, 7, 6, 8, 4, 9, 2, 10, 1. You have to find out the mean, median, and mode again. Next, now this is little different type questions. Here, find the mode of the following data. First is given 7, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 8, 10, 7, and 6. Second is 9, 11, 8, 11, 16, 9, 11, 5, 3, 11, 17, 8. Second, the following table shows the frequency distribution of heights of 50 boys, height in centimeter, frequency 120 centimeter 5, 121 centimeter 8, 122 centimeter 18, 123 centimeter 10, 124 centimeter 9. You have to find out the mode of the heights. Find the mode of the following data given the histogram. Class given 0 to 10, 5 frequency, 10 to 20, 12, 20 to 30, 20, 30 to 40, 9, and 40 to 50, 4. Next, you have a different type question here again. The following table gives a weekly wages of worker in a factory, the wages in rupees and number of workers in F frequency, that is. So 50 to 55, 5, 50 to 60, 20, 55 to 60, 20, 60 to 65, 10, 65 to 70, 10, 70 to 75, 9, 75 to 86, 80 to 85, 12, 85 to 98. You have to calculate the mean, the modal class, the number of workers getting weekly wages below 80 rupees, the number of workers getting rupees 65 and more but less than 85 weekly wages. Next, a mathematical aptitude test of rupees 50 students are recorded as follows. Marks obtained and number of students, so 50 to 64, 60 to 78, 70 to 80, 80 14, 80 to 90, 19, 90 to 105. Draw the histogram for the above data using graph paper and locate the mode. Okay, dear children, if if you have gone through thoroughly, you are able to answer the questions. Go through. If you have doubts, anything, even the comments, the remarks in the comment box, I will go through and I will try to solve your problem. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.